Hi guys, it's your girl Fashion here coming to you with a blowout tutorial on 4C hair. And I'm just going to jump into this thing for y'all. So as you can see, I'm starting out with freshly washed and conditioned hair. And I'm parting her hair into 4 sections. Now, there's no right or wrong way to part these sections. For me, I just need 4. If you feel like you need less, then of course do less. But if you need more sections, then fine. As you can see, this baby has a good head full of hair. We're doing 4 sections. So as I part off each section, what I do is take a clip and pin it up out of the way so that it doesn't interfere when I'm working on the other parts. All right, and so now that we have 3 of the sections pinned up and out the way, what I'm going to do is take my Shea Moisture leave-in treatment and spray a generous amount into her head. Now, as y'all can see, the spray wasn't working at first, but I got it going. So we're going to spray a generous amount, and then I'll take a wide tooth comb and detangle out her hair first before I apply the blow dry to it. Now, we all know with 4C hair, the shrinkage is real and the hair looks a lot more tangled than it really is. So trust and believe, this part is not hurting her. Her hair pretty much wasn't even tangled at all. But I still just like to go through and do a little detangle before I take my blow dryer to it. And so as you can see, I like the comb attachment. So that thing works miracles for me. Do you hear me? Miracles. So what you want to do is start at the ends of the hair and work your way up to the roots. And at times, you may just want to do slower strokes, but within a minute or two, this whole section will be straight. So we're not applying as much heat as you would think. I know some people are probably like, why didn't she put heat protectant in? It's not that serious. I'm not using that much heat. I'm just trying to get it straight so that we can achieve her hairstyle. And so as you can see now, it's starting to already just get straight. We're going to still go through it a few more times, of course. There's no rush, but it also doesn't even take long either. So just kind of be patient and work your way through it. It will definitely help your hairstyle 10 times more, I promise you. Bam, look at that. All right, and see, now that we have that side straight, what I'm going to do now is just take a scrunchie and pretty much just put that side of her hair into a ponytail. That way, it doesn't interfere with the next section. Apply some more treatment to each section. Boom, generous amounts. Remember, detangle. Now see, we're pretty much 3/4 done. This is the last section to go. Same rules apply. So as you can see, we're pretty much done here. Her hair is blown out. I'll do one more run through around her whole head. But at this point, guys, it's straight as I want it to be. And this is the finished product. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what other videos you would like to see.